Good morning, everyone. I hope your day is going well. This is one of my favorite things right here, man. This pinning mat, one of my favorite things. What we have today is we have a Mako. Boy, that light there really. Let's see what happens if you turn the light off. There you go. Is that better? Is that better for people? Okay. We have this here Mako, and that's the bidding on it. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. It seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Excuse me. It does work. There's some crunchy stuff in there, though. I can feel it when I put the key in there. There's some crunchy stuff in there. This was a number 427. And let's see if we have a tension tool for it. That might work. Normally I would use my pink pick. My granddaughter painted that pink. I don't know. Anyway, let's try old blue here one time though. A bunch of crunchy stuff. I like that. A bunch of crunchy stuff. Wow. Oh. Man, this thing is crunchy, like really crunchy. Really crunchy. What we gotta get a Phillips. We're gonna take it apart. Yep, we're gonna take it apart because I just got this lock and I don't know what's in it. And we're only on 4 minutes, so maybe we can do something with it. Oh, all the fun stuff. Man, I really like that pinning pad, man. That is awesome. I want to thank Mr. Hillbilly for sending that to me. That is awesome, man. It's a whole lot better than one I used to have, I tell you. Let's see what is in this bad boy right here. Let me see here. We're going to turn it that way. The first one looks standard to me. The second one is definitely a spool. The third one is standard. The fourth one is spool. The second one is standard. And the first one is a spool. Wow. The number 6 key pin was serrated. That's why it kept fighting me back. Number 5 is serrated. Number 4 is standard. Number 3 is standard. Number 2 is serrated. And number 1 is standard. That's pretty cool, man. That's some pretty cool stuff. And I don't see nothing done with the plug. We're going to keep all the springs in the side of the core. But I don't see nothing fancy about the core either. It all looks standard to me. Let's try the light back on again. There you go. Everything looks standard. Alright. Let's check out the pins. Whoops. Wow. The pins kind of bunched all up, didn't they? You can tell my granddaughter's been here because there's little blonde hairs everywhere. Jeez, man. There y'all go. There y'all go, man. A little bit of crunchy stuff. Anyway, we're on 7 minutes. I want to thank you guys for watching. And take care of yourselves out there. I'll talk to you all later on.